Hello again, scientists. This is going to be a quick review of the second rubric for our flip grids here. Okay, so just like before, if you don't attempt any of these elements, you'll receive 0 points for your rubric here. Just by attempting the flip grid, you automatically get 1 point. For the natural selection component of the question, if you describe how natural selection took place, but you didn't tie in the 4 requirements, then you'll receive 1 point. If you mentioned the requirements of natural selection, but didn't mention them in a way that you proved true knowledge of like what they actually mean, then you'll receive 2 points. And then if you logically tied the situation to each requirement for natural selection, you'll receive 3 points. When it comes to the conversation about the bottleneck effect, you'll receive 1 point if you mention the bottleneck effect, but did not truly prove knowledge of what the bottleneck effect means. For 2 points, if you logically tie the situation to the bottleneck effect, you'll get both of those points. And then for vocab, if you use one of the required vocab words, you'll get 1 point. 2 of the required vocab words, you'll get 2 points. And 3 of the required vocab words, you'll get all 3 points. Thanks again for reviewing this rubric with me. It really shows a lot of maturity and responsibility for you to know that I need to figure out what I need to do for this question before I start. So good luck on your summative, and thanks for sticking around to review with me.